Hey everyone, so today I just want to talk about something I recently did, and that was purchased a second Canon R6. And the reason behind that is because if you watch my previous video on my new announcement of my freelance job, I am starting to shoot sports for a local college. So having a second body is going to be really key to capturing the moment of the sporting event, whatever I might be shooting, because one body will have a 70-200 or maybe a 400 2.8 or a 300 2.8, and so I'm going to need like a wider angle lens on the second body for anything, a celebration that might happen really close to me, that the 70-200 or further lenses are going to be too tight for. So I picked up a second R6, and my first test with that second body setup with a 24mm, which is this lens, as my wide angle lens, was the NJCAA Indoor Track and Field Championships here at the college that I'm going to be starting to shoot sports for. And so they host it, and the travel board in that town asks me to usually shoot their events that they host. So track and field was the first test with these two bodies. With those two bodies, I had a 70-200 on one lens, and then, like I said, the 24mm on the other lens. And I was able to kind of create two different vibes with my photos that kind of like worked really well together. So I was able to get tight photos of a runner going by, and it really just be focused on the torso and the head, or maybe just a full body shot that wasn't too wide. And then with the 24, I can kind of get more of a dramatic shot of maybe panning with them as they ran by, or handed off the baton in a relay, or even like a wide angle shot of showing the whole pole vault pad plus the pole vaulter up in the air. One feature I really love about the Canon R6s is the eye autofocus. I was able to use the eye autofocus 99% of the time this weekend, and I found it came in really handy on like pole vault and triple jump and long jump, where they are moving really fast and like their action is really jerky or really quick, and you might not have enough time to recompose. So with eye autofocus, I was able to focus on for example, like a high jumper as they were starting off to the left or right side of the mat, and as they ran up, I was able to just hold the focus down, and they were able to jump and then lean over it. And as their head came over it and they looked back to the mat, the eye autofocus was still right on the eye. So as they moved, even with things going in front of them, like the bar or the bar holders, it still stayed in focus. And another instant was when I was shooting pole vault. So the pole vaulter has to like kind of bend his pole, and it jerks him up or her up, and they kind of lean and they're all over the place. But the eye autofocus either went from the eye or to the head, and it was always in focus, which was really nice, because usually I would like pre-focus at the top of the bar and kind of leave enough space for them to hopefully come into the gap that I'm focused in. But now I was able to start down low as they went up, and it would just stay right on their eye every time. And that was a game changer for me. So I just wanted to show you guys some of my favorite images. If you have any questions, let me know. I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. I will see you all next time.